21st, New Year's Eve. Get yourself ready for the ultimate New Year's Eve event. FC Promotion presents the countdown to 2016. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the ultimate New Year's Eve back inside of Island Pride, 986 Blue Hill Avenue in Dorchester. Admission only $20 before midnight. It's all about music by DJ Walla, Anaconda, Ghetto Hype, and DJ Rose B. It's the ultimate New Year's Eve countdown to 2016. It's all about all roads lead down to Island Pride in style and fashion. Doors open up at 9. We party until. Pictures provided by Trickstar and Island Vibes. So that's right, ladies and gentlemen, get yourself ready. New Year's Eve. It's the ultimate countdown to 2016. This is an FC promotion.
Feel good.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hot World Radio and Team Onway presents Saturday, January 9th, 2016, the Hot World Radio Anniversary Bash. 2 rooms of entertainment featuring live on stage Alan Cave.
M'a cherché qui j'en pour m'expliquer autrement.
Vilx from Identity. Like so. And yours truly, Clever Kid. It's all going down at Club Morbeza, 581 Main Street, Brockton, Mass. Advance tickets are only $20. Showtime is 9 p.m. Hosted by Prince Noble. Music by DJ Mayu, Junior Rodigan, DJ Anaconda, and Vic. For more info, call 617-290-5434 or 857-615-3991. Saturday, January 9th, Hot World Radio Anniversary Bash. 2 rooms of entertainment. The first big bash of the year.
For the time watch the man, them a roll out. For the time watch everybody roll out. Them a roll out. Alright.
Cheer, suspense, baby.
Yeah. This is Smokey Baby. Au moins ça y est déjà. Chaque mardi depuis fait 8h du soir, il va écouter l'autre émission qui est Annie Love Show. Sur Kompa Xtreme avec DJ Final Touch sur Hot World Radio, Radio Jazz là, Radio Suspense Gaboda la baby. Check. Nous le faire encore.
Téléphone en l'air, mettez téléphone en l'air. Téléphone en l'air, levez téléphone en l'air. Téléphone en l'air, mettez téléphone en l'air. Téléphone en l'air, levez téléphone en l'air. L'un petit téléphone, reparti yo kana. L'un petit téléphone, reparti Eden baiser. Samsung Galaxy en l'air, mettez iPhone en l'air, mettez tablette en l'air, mettez iPad en l'air. Depuis le paquet WhatsApp, son canak non méo. Depuis le paquet Imo, son canak non méo. La gueule dans l'eau pour le vivre, la gueule dans l'eau pour le vivre, la gueule dans l'eau pour le vivre, la gueule dans l'eau pour le vivre.
Sous bébé du confessing, non. Pas parler, sous bébé du confessing, non. Pas parler. Sous ma femme magie derrière garçon, mettre le main en l'air. Blonde qui va manger après moule, mettre le main en l'air. Sous bébé du confessing, non. Pas parler, sous bébé du confessing, non. Pas parler. L'île n'a pas mixé, retourner sous mon l'école. Depuis ou manger la jambe l'odeur, la casse au commun. Sans power, ou pas qu'on allait.
Demandez nous répéter, c'est pour nous. Demandez nous répéter.
do fe sing nan. Ma pale, ma pale.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I need to got him. Yeah, man.
Oh, spare me the yeah, man. Listen, we about to go into 2016. I'm gonna need you to do something different.
No. It's gonna go right into 2016.
Non. Nous parlons de 2016. Ou besoin l'autre intro parce que intro ça, nous retail.
Nous avons besoin l'autre intro.
No, but yeah, no yeah, man. No 1, 2, 1, 2. No 3, 4, 5. Ou pas besoin compter. Ou pas besoin dire alphabet. Faut commencer. Vous comprenez ça, tout là?
On va venir avec notre intro.
All that intro, pas dans one tada, pas dans tout ça qui était en 2015 parce qu'on pas dit bien.
Qui t'aime pas mon petit one tada?
Ou pas dit bien. Lorsqu'on dit bien, on va dire ça. Anyways, bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde qui branché sur Radio Monde Show.
Français a ni un piment l'autre qui m'a
Ah, même pas par menti, me dit vérité. Comprends ça, but tonight is the last Tuesday of the year, and we are excited because nous plein bagay ka privé pour 2016. But we're excited to end 2016 with a bang.
Bang.
Sat bang na.
Bang.
Sat bang na.
Karimi bang.
Mbatu Karimi bang. Karimi bang c'est une semaine na vrai. Mais c'est pas samedi. We're gonna end with the bang. Bang na. Nous avons monsieur qui est le Vilx from Identity-Kompa qui font passer par la veine, you know. So that's a good way to end it. Why? Because he's also starting our new year with us. As you guys know, Hot World Radio Anniversary Bash is January 9th, 2016. It is a Saturday night. And what we're doing is we're doing a special event for you guys. It's for the Hot World Radio Anniversary Bash. But what we're doing is 2 rooms of entertainment.
2 rooms.
The first room is going to be the reggae room. You get a live performance with Clever.
Pourquoi non room ça? Comment ça room number 1?
Non, comment ça from commencer bon, guys.
Okay.
So, regardez, DJ Final Touch. On connaît tout le monde c'est team Annie Love. Vous comprenez? So, you got to do something in 2016 because your team is 0 to 100 right now. Hashtag team Annie Love.
Pour 2016, on va commencer d'essayer des nouveaux hashtags.
But anyways, we're doing the Hot World Radio Anniversary Bash. One of our rooms, we have the live reggae performance with Clever Kid.
That's the boom room.
You get DJ Anaconda. You get DJ Junior Rodigan. You get DJ Vic Smoker.
Yeah.
Of course, this is going to be only $20 at Morabiza Club, 581 Main Street, Brockton, Mass. Then we also
boom.
Yeah.
Boom,
so then no, porque ça le boom non ça pas
chaque côté passer dans room ça c'est
boom. On pas attendre. Pepio vin pour Final Touch. What Final Touch?
I've been waiting all day to say that. All day.
You've been waiting all day? Put ya. Anyways, and then in the main room, on stage, we have Alan Cave, who will be there with Vilx. And they're going to be up there turning it up, y'all. Let me tell y'all, they have a show in store. You do not want to miss out. We also have Lexo, who will be with them as well, dropping some of his tracks. Again, this is all January 9th. It's hosted by our very own Dr. Love, a.k.a. Prince Noble. You know, so it's going to be an event. And guess what? We're giving you all this for $20. And we party until 2 in the morning. So make sure you guys go ahead. If you guys want to get your tickets now, you can actually log on to the hotwarradio.com, or you can call 617-290-5434 or 857-615-3991, or contact anybody that's promoting this event. You will see it. Big ups to all of our peoples that are definitely liking, helping us share, helping us promote. Big ups to last week, Lisa, the emergency Kompa family, for definitely shouting us out and always, helping us with promotion as well. So Pendant n'a parlé tout ça. Ça n'a fait, je dis, you're gonna hear a combination of music. We'll hear some old school, some new school. Back on it, DJ Final Touch Up, DJ La, na fonti fet. But a lot of the songs that we're dropping is all the artists that have stopped through Kompa Xtreme. We definitely show love to all of our artists that's been there. So of course, from the fonti like, gelo ouais suspense rabodai, yo te fonti drop pour nous, man. Yo la gonti bel ti drop pour nous. Yo pas même team Final Touch shootan des drop là. Yo di Annie Love Show. Ça veut dire yo pour keeper DJ Final Touch. Ouais, j'aime prendre tout mon nom, Team Annie Love. If y'all don't know, hashtag it, Team Annie Love.
Ou kon kes malgré vous?
Yes.
Malgré emergency Kompa pour yo mener pompier à venir.
Bon John bagay.
Pour yo foudou.
Yo tout converti. Yo tout convert to Team Annie Love.
Quand yo parle converti aller. Son l'église?
Oui, yo tout converti. Yo tout converti, yo tout c'est Team Annie Love. Comprends ça?
Là,
OK.
Parce que connaît gon ambulance il va le paquet devant là talé là.
Et pour la vin
y a vin pour.
Pour y a vin pour.
Y a vin pour passer là au fini. Y a foutu un Ivy. Il va pas dire Ivy non, Ivy qui faut dormir et puis après ça branche peut-être net. Et puis ça te dit emergency touch. All day every day. Hashtag. Et puis that's it. M'fin avant.
OK, m'fin avant tout parce que qu'on bagay on comprend son bail parce que tout le monde la caillou cap branché là, yo tout après que sur Facebook Team Annie Love, Team Annie Love, Team Annie Love, oh, Team Annie Love, oh, Team Annie Love, oh. But again, you know, wait, I'm waiting. About to finish DJ, about to until I done. Okay, that's a new song. I'm waiting. So make sure you guys definitely come out January 9th. It's gonna be hot. 2 rooms. Alan Cave, Vilx, Lexo, Clever Kid, Junior Rodigan, Anaconda, Vix Polka, all for $20. 2000 McDonald's seulement. 1 million and a half.
2000, non, il fait 2000 là même. 2000.
2000, that's it.
McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, n'importe là de vous passer. Voilà, de pour acheter, de pour gagner 2 moun dans machine, ou acheter 2000, forget it, ou déjà dépassé $20. So ça pour nous faire, n'a mis des têtes non tout petit, pour ce maintenant, save $20 et puis acheter ticket nous. Normal. Pas attendre l'année venir porte là, il vient aller $20, parce que pas $20 encore. Mais dis-nous ça. Nous avons monde qui est Annie Love là, il pas quitter le $20 encore.
Annie Love pas n'importe là.
Il pas n'importe là, non, il pas quitter sa fête. Anyway, man, be sure to come out, man. January 9th, 2016.
Vilx Identity-Kompa, Alan Cave, Clever Kid, malman de Clever Kid, si la plage chant, parce que pour chant, il y a un chant pour la gueule. M'après les chants l'obéi là.
On l'obéi,
chant l'obéi, si la plage gueule. Parce que, li besoin yon, li mérite yon tout, so m'oblige dire ça. M'poil la gueule chant l'obéi là pour lui.
La gueule. Allez, dis Clever clean up tracks ça, allez, pour commencer la gueule dans Kompa Xtreme. Parce que pile monde a mérité tracks ça, non d'ailleurs.
Oui.
So anyway, Jean dit pour asseoir là n'a plagué plaisir et chanter de tout artiste qui visite Kompa Xtreme during the year. Dans l'année 2015 là, you know what I'm saying, so on a fait un recap. Chaque temps de temps, on obtient des artistes. Ou bien, on connaît qu'à faire tout ça, artistes, ça net aller. Mais qu'est-ce là, you know what I'm saying?
N'apprécie DJ Final Touch, c'est Final Touch vraiment, swear. Parce que si nous tombons le DJ No Clue, nous déjà comprenons ça qui arrive.
Ça m'a avec là. But it's all good. So, pour le moment là, Jean dit là, version 9 comme ça, ou bien 8h45 comme ça.
Oui, bon, non, 20 minutes comme ça, nous parlons font par la Vilx. Regardez, moi, mon envoyé question, nous avons pour demander, nous te mettre demander, nous voyez, m'a essayé de demander toutes questions. But just know, it's about to get hot in here. It's getting hot in here. Oh, sorry, wrong show. But yo, I can't even tell y'all. I'm hyped, y'all. January 9th is going down. That's all I'm saying. January 9th. January 9th. January 9th.
January 9th.
January 9th.
Kote we ani love hype sa la. Tale la alpa la dan konti so dan woman ki abdomi. Anti suspense about am fin lage la. E pi soto le a we ti tet lap souke, ti kol ap souke. Atande a ti bouda ap souke, pied en l'air. Tête en l'air, main en l'air, bouda en l'air, tout bagarre en l'air, vite moi. Et puis, quand y a là, les gars sont excited. Yeah, we any love.
Gade, I'm excited. I'm too pour raison que I'm excited. It is December 29th, and I am grateful because Gade, ouais, même tout ça qui t'est passé dans l'année, m'pas give them no more clever, tout bagay qui passe, ou just dire mériter un bagay, et pour la get. But I'm excited because 2016 is the opportunity to what? To write the rest of how my journey is gonna go. My future is spotless. Do you understand that?
Spotless.
So of course I'm hyped. My future is spotless.
You want to spotless? Don't only spotless. Well, from Dinuke, 2016 is gonna be a big year. Right? Big year. I can feel it in my bones.
You get bones? You can feel it in your meat. Want TV too la?
Mon bat faire on to petit on net. Meat comme ça paraît. L'Italien la sort cason chinois là tout frère. Anti chinois leftover là. Avait dit que meat la definitely apparaît. Unlike Annie Love.
Let me tell you something. Annie Love, c'est un monde qui very, very nice.
Oui.
Very comfy.
Many.
Et puis that's it. Okay.
Li nice, li comfy, et puis that's it.
Yes.
Comfy na ki sa.
Soda. Yo, let me stop. Ou pa de mbaka di sa sou radio konen gen ti moun kap tande. So nou oblige keep it clean. Nou kopon samtou la. But big ups nou tan gen moun kap tande. Nou mwen mesaj yo bon moun ap repon nou taler.
Yes. So, I know we said we were gonna get into a track. I need this. Dérangem, li distract moi, li fait m'blier ça m'taban dia. But right now, nous parlons de notre track là.
Team Annie Love.
One team fan touch. Et puis, on va track ça, li Meet Me, featuring Admiral T. Track ça by News. News de Boston. Big up News on when News in the town not too long ago on man. So you know we gotta big them up and stuff like that man. So anyway, keep it locked right here. Kompa Xtreme, Hot World Radio, Final Touch, Annie Love.
Annie Love. Team Annie Love. Team Annie Love.
Final Touch.
Nope.
Touch.
No clue. Commence no clue, ça veut dire ou pas fait job ou you're not on point right now.
Keep it locked right here.
Bon.
N'a changé flavor à ce nous.
Of course, because that's what we do on Hot World Radio. Annie Love. Annie Love. Annie Love.
But I can hit like Rickers. But now say, get the water. Meet me at the party, baby.
Swear mwen pot negosye. Wakon pou men formale. Se pas tout sa pa din barem. Kote mnive plezi gaye.
Meet me at the party.
About to get started.
Okay then.
What you drinking at the party?
Some baka hardy.
Got that ready in the morning. Belle femme campée tout côté. Si messieurs yo a payé. Tout moun net ap si veye. Poko gen activité.
Hey, Mr. DJ D, moi ça passé. Mr. DJ D, moi ça entendé.
week-end passé. Rendez-vous ça pas bien. Ladies, meet me at the party.
Meet me at the party.
We about to get it started. What you drinking at the party?
Show me.
I got that ready if you want it. Ladies, meet me at the party. We about to get it started. What you drinking at the party? I got that ready if you want it.
Yeah. Call your friends, everybody dance. Baby, put your hands up, I get your birthday. Shadi, who's a gonna tell you, kick a man that you does be for la fête, look at me, the EFP. Meet me at the party, baby, patade, you swallow, say, gatti, look up, I say, swagger, la shadow, pegade. Maquille, fade, go to party, baby, move your body. I've got good news for you, baby.
It's your mind. Dr. Lou. Le compas.
Featuring Admiralty, baby. Let's go.
Sans te poser là. Nous laguer.
I take one out. Yeah.
Depuis déjà ça paraît, pas que j'y t'a gardé. C'est vrai, pas que j'y t'a gardé. Yeah. Depuis déjà ça paraît, tout lever danser. C'est vrai, tout camper sous pied.
Hey, moun yo mande pou vokal. Moun yo mande pou keyboard. Hey, moun yo mande pou guitar. Tare, jazz a bal fek pou de zon.
Tenez ça, solo,
Fay party.
le compas. Nous la laguer,
Ça c'est musique. Puis là, la capacité, puis nous, qu'à mettre en place, puis nous, qu'à sortir quand nous bien. Fanatiquement de nous, fanatiquement de Yann, mais puis ça caille, fanatiquement de qu'on aille. Et yo, qu'à elle nous, puis yo, qu'à elle nous, puis nous, qu'à mêler nous, c'est yo, qu'à mêler nous, hacker, pas faire nous, tout le monde a aimé nous, ça qui va aimer nous, ça qui va aimer nous. Déplacé. News et Admiralty. Bon, qui te banne en face, c'est même real. Hello, one.
depuis déjà ça paraît, pas que j'y t'a gardé. Yeah. Depuis déjà ça paraît, tout lever danser.
Si nous parlons, c'est que nous vivons. Moun yo mande pou vokal. Moun yo mande pou keyboard. Hey, moun yo mande pou guitar. Tare, jazz a bal fek pou de zon. New York. Washington, Boston, Guadeloupe, Haïti. Hey.
Une fija, j'ai des gonzes. En haut, dans la gueule en bas. Aïe la tête en bas, tout les femmes ça. Nous chrétiens, protestants, président, magistrat. Maman c'est mon cap, papa c'est mon local. Les grandis Saint-Domingue. Si mon la calier, la petite Nathalie, qui a machin de serré, pour la font danser.
Identity. This one is called Loca, man. Boy, big up Vilx. Give it up.
Ou met un petit ça, j'en joue des bonzards. J'en roule en haut, j'en la gueule en bas. Caille la tête en bas, tout nègre les femmes ça. Nous chrétiens, protestants, président, magistrat. Maman c'est mon cap, papa c'est mon cap. Les grandis Saint-Domingue, la petite bouche en gavaille. Si mon la calier, la petite natalier. Cap machin des gars serrés, pour la font-tu danser. Quand les chocs en coup d'effet, il fait riche à chiquer. Oh, si nous veut, mais nous on a losé. On y fait, gars les gens à vibrer. Head it, nose it, face au lèvres, il fait briller. La douche tryna run up on her, but I gotta have mommy in my corner. I'm tryna find the right way to approach her. Then we can fly, living la vida.
She got a way she moves that makes me wanna lose my mind. She got a way she moves. She's living la vida loca, 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 loca. She's got a way she moves that makes me wanna lose my mind. She got a way she moves. She's living la vida loca, 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 loca.
Prince Limbe mwen Yuni a kem baske, m'konnen son princesse ouye. Ka de jan princesse kouye, princesse an lè kase. Ka tjen kol tode, tan pou el avek mouye. Ka bese seche, wapè fèm fè peche. Ou metem sou de pye, ben ki ron ap mame, m'apel pa nan rase. Son gol m'ap santre, li selman m'ap souwete. Mami ki te montre, li fè do anamble. M'bakon e kote, yon bote kon sa te sere. Gen lese nan sel la li te rete ake bon die. M'pa kriminel an mwen santi mwen ta kinapè. El menen li la bati, pou nan fon ti feze. A lot of dudes tryna run up on her, but I gotta have mommy in my corner. I'm tryna find the right way to approach her. Then we can fly, living la vida.
She got a way she moves that makes me wanna lose my mind. She got a way she moves. She's living la vida loca, 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 loca. She's got a way she moves makes me wanna lose my mind. She got a way she moves. She's living la vida loca, 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 loca. Tell her that I'm back. Come through my sack. Boots knock like the 808 on this track. Hear it. She hot like tracks from J-Beatz. I could never ever imagine her without me, or me without her. I would not prefer. Got plenty of time for you chicken heads, but it's to earn. I yearn for you to whine on me, whine on me. Baby, it's been too long. I hear that you're lonely. You're moving so loca. I really hope I can take you back to the crib and touch your Georgia. Yes, I will poke ya. Yes, I'm tryna poke ya. Put this down your throat and hope that it doesn't choke ya. We can get it on tonight. I'm the dog and nipples like hippos. I will bite from the bedroom through the kitchen to the roof. 100-proof bottle gone. She got a way she moves that makes me wanna lose my mind. She got a way she moves. She's living la vida loca, loca.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that track was hot.
That's one of my favorites. I had to play that one. I'm sorry. I had to play that one.
Who was that by again? Who was that by again?
Like every week.
Wait. Who was that by again?
Même qu'est-ce qu'il chantait ça, non? Qu'est-ce qu'il chantait? Groupe ça relè Identity.
No, you gotta say it. Bakon combien I, non? Bon, Vilx a je répondre pour dire combien I pour me dire. C'est Identity, I think.
Si c'est pas même V, I ligue.
Bakon
non, on connaît Identity. Alors, parler d'Identity, ça veut dire que gon bagay qui caché in the background.
In the background?
In the background.
Yeah.
Tout ay sa obtande yo caché, ou pas ka wè yo. Est-ce que vous comprenez? Ane ti moun yo pa kompon ba sa yo. Wapon sa ba grand moun, wapon kap pale, wapon Identity, wapon bagay CIA, FBI, ba serye. Ba serye. Wapon ba sa yo.
Bon,
anyway.
Again, avant d'aller, parce qu'on connaît, nous parlons pas avec Staller là, you know, on parle de week-end qui ça tout passe dans week-end là. Côté week-end ça.
Mon cher, week-end ça me tout côté. C'est me tout côté m'oublier côté m'dé. Because I can't even remember and I can't think about it. But côté m'dé, oui me songe. M'dé non 509 qui bosse à dans City Limit Samedi, right? Samedi.
Saturday, Christmas night? 25.
Wait a minute, what was that?
Christmas night,
No,
25.
that was 26. Oh, 25?
Ooh, I'm ready.
Bon, lò apote nan gan moun nan.
Bon, okay.
Lò apote nan gan moun nan.
Bon, okay.
Bagay yo, pa fin, to apopou. Yes. So, ça pas week. Well, it was a long weekend.
Commencé depuis jeudi pour moi même. Bon dis salutations à Fallon. Happy birthday Fallon. Nous te celebrate fête Fallon Polinis. Grand big turnout. Big turnout. No, I'm talking about Thursday night. Big turnout.
On va parler de big turnout.
Ça te jeudi. Pour commencer bien.
Côté fan au touch te.
N'a qu'à banner à madame les côté exposé hier. Oh.
Pour job même.
Get it regardez ou pas qu'à marcher des from single. Faut comprendre ça. Mais pas même moi mettre dans trouble today. Ou pas qu'à marcher pas privacy. Pas secret. Speaking of privacy, tune in Sunday 6 p.m. Can you relate? Anyways, back on Hot War Radio. Ou pas qu'à ça, okay? Tout ça.
Okay. Si m'de kon ti bout there, I tap krazim.
Même I straight with cock blocking hate. But it's not my business.
No cock blocking, okay? No cock blocking. Gala come down in that trap.
So ça te jeudi. Vendredi nous allé na 509 avec classique.
509.
I would say that, you know, both of them played extremely well. Definitely, big ups to Bob Sam c'est famille de là. Ils connaissent toujours supporter nous capable. So big ups to him. Definitely they put on a show and big ups. And that was my first time seeing 509. Yeah, you know, so too. They definitely rock. So I give them that. Big ups to them. Big ups to Price who did it.
Yes,
maybe that's it.
Bon show. I gotta say, man, the one from Guitar FM too, nous t'a parlé de jazz yo by ça yo. Yo, classique déposé, man. Count. Moi, classique joué une fois déjà. But, performance, yo te lagué ça Christmas Day, right? Jou Christmas ça. Bel bagay net. Sel bagay.
Go ahead, sel bagay. Toujours bon bagay.
On est from bon bagay quand même. Sel bagay. Puis devant nous t'a remettre des plis. Track classique.
Of course.
Exact.
You get album you
pas
parle.
But tu connais nèg y a travail dit là, y a album là, y a son album là.
Oui, m'tendez après carnaval peut-être.
So be on the lookout for that parce que I think it's going to be crazy. Crazy bagay. But 509 était première femme de performer tout live. Yo bien joué tout. Bagay normal. Bien frappé, bien déposé. Et pendant que l'autre boîte, qui est-ce que l'autre boîte? Identity-Kompa. Identity-Kompa dans toute sauce, man. But then again, you have to remember, you have to cat. Find no touch, not toute sauce, man. But it's all good because when we nous ensemble, c'est emergency touch, not toute sauce.
Got it today.
Team
Annie Love. Let me tell you something. You know what? 2016, we're gonna go a whole year. It's gonna be Team Annie Love. My même Vilx what done there? Connaît faut choisir Team Annie Love ou Team Final Touch. Ou déjà connaît Team Annie Love toujours gain. Why? Parce qu'ils sont queen.
On connaît Vilx déjà make up his mind depuis longtemps.
Team Annie Love all the way, baby.
Team Touch.
Whatever. And then you know what's funny? So then, where did I go Saturday night? Na Harmonique?
Oh yeah, that was there.
Harmonique. Qu'est-ce qui était avec Sinclair?
Avec Sinclair.
Nous tellement à la balle sur ça, on pas qu'à changer tout.
M'a parlé DJ 5 étoiles pour.
Bon, yo comme message yo dit comme ça, dis Final Touch posé avec ou tendez. Comme ça yo dit.
Qu'est-ce qu'il dit ça?
M'bap dit non, mais li voye mon texte. Mais dit pour doute pour
qui est gangster ça qui a envoyé message ça ba mon ça?
Ba même ka dire ça. Take it phone. Anyways, m'allé dans Sinclair avec Harmonique.
Yes.
Et puis il était bien joué. You know, it was cool.
Pourquoi j'aime Harmonique live? I gotta say.
I mean, you know, yo joué illégal, yo joué belle chanter. Yo joué un peu bon track.
I was hoping que moi pas live pas jouer track ça.
Oui, yo ben m'tendé a tourner charisme, m'pa connaît n'a pas ça privé. But you definitely you te déposé. Bon.
Yeah.
Pendant la parler de week-end, dimanche, je mal le Creole là.
Dimanche.
I have to say, out of the weekend, I enjoyed myself at Creole. And it wasn't, I don't know if it was just the one band, it was just that everybody in there was rocking. Même là, tout le monde game moun ki chita, yo tout ap danse. It was just, it felt like family. It was weird. It was a weird vibe, but connais avec moun te sorti, tout le monde rit, tout le monde danse. Moi, son bon bagay yo te fait. And Creole, they definitely rocked it, you know. You connais.
Et vous connaissez Creole, c'est normal. Vous comprenez parce que next yo, c'est professionnel yo dans déposer. Bon, j'ai longtemps pas yo live, but moi yo live déjà yo bien joué, vous comprenez. 5 ans. Ou déjà connaît 5 ans les machines gouillade là depuis yo paraît.
Machine gouillade
tombé. On va normal lié, vous comprenez.
On connaît depuis yo paraît c'est rien cap vivre.
Rien ni non-stop all day every day.
Team Annie Love.
Celle bagay m pat reme Annie nan bal ça c'est que ou fout aller dans bal là
et puis au final
et pour quitter m derrière. Ou voyez mal fait travail. Ça m pas d'accord avec.
Vous comprenez ça? Déjà dou c'est nèg marié, OK? Ou pas ka marcher derrière from single comme ça. Faut comprendre ça, faut qu'on côtoyer. Et si on moun boit avec, il y a passé nous ensemble. So, on pas qu'à faire ça. Vous connaissez? So, ou quand qui sortent ou dit emergency qu'on passe ses amours, relé al hang avec.
Ouais, next time m'après les emergency compa m'a dit emergency compa.
Bon tout ça, on connaît yo branché parce que c'est yo supporter jeune ou supporter yo so ma big up yo but on connaît yo tout les deux c'est team Annie Love.
Ouais, c'est team touch.
Tout ça team Annie Love. OK.
Y a écouté. M'a voyer message pour emergency compa next time. N'a voyer.
You know what? Yo te font belle petite fête là, m'pap di adresse, m'pap di ça te rive. Oui mal non fait, m'kito.
Et gen encore wale kite.
M'kito men parce que konon bagay, le team Annie Love a fait promotion pour écoute, faut m'aller, m'pa marcher avant. Vous connaissez?
Annie Love.
Yo big up, vous connaissez yo toujours big up. Yo toujours dit big up final touch.
Team touch mon cher.
So non, ma big up tout mais connaissez team Annie Love.
C'est team touch all day every day mon cher. Hashtag.
Look at hashtag team Annie Love 2016. I'm taking it over. Gade, DJ final touch. Pas gagne capo qui pose. OK? So yeah.
On va parler là team touch
Bon tout pas today. Régis team Queen Annie Love. Emergency compa. Last speak.
Si vous pas ça. What's that last speak? Non, mais ça arrive. Last speak redeem son partenaire qui gagne en pile sensibilité pour moun qui pas gagne love. Est-ce que vous comprenez?
Oui, on fait un petit peu sur
comme un nice guy, on comprend comme un nice guy nèg là. Leave your love by.
No. Final touch. Guess le bon do bagay. Pour 2016, m'toi c'était moi 3 mais bon bagay parler oui. Moi souhaité, OK? Avant drop track Alan Cavel Vilx up la guitare là. Moi souhaité que you understand Team Annie Love and you just accept it and understand that you're just going to be DJ Final Touch and Team Queen Annie Love. Vous comprenez ça? Parce que depuis qu'on Queen dans la voix, ça veut dire tout bagage marcher bien. So c'est compliment yo fail yo Team Annie Love. Comprenez-moi? OK. C'est compliment yo fait parce que pas gain pile monde qui pas gain Queen Annie Love avec so depuis yo team Annie Love ça veut dire c'est compliment yo fait so te mettre OK te mettre relax OK
c'est c'est vrai oui no you know Annie Love you are right
team Annie Love ouais mais ou même convert
no you are 100% right parce que nèg yo vinn la vrai yo dit count. Kano final touch me say final touch team emergency touch. Et puis yo gade Annie Love yo dit cat mais queen là comme queen là li pose comme queen. Et puis yo ouais final touch a body love yo dit cat final touch gen son bagay c'est yeah. En vrai so yo oblige voyons ti love. by Queen Ali Love.
Ou connaît, ou te met dit n'importe raison dans tête tout. Déjà qu'on vérité. Et puis that's it. Ou connaît depuis ou connaît. Let's go back. If we want to go back, let's segmenter là, Team Annie Love. Les Allen Carver était là, qui s'appelait Team Annie Love, même écrit chant Annie Love là sous elle. Vous changez ça.
Allen Carver était là.
Les classiques comme moi, les Bob Samvini qui les porte fleurs pour qui est Annie Love. Les Prince Loboté là, tout le monde pas fini non. Les porte boisson pour qui est Annie Love. On parle toujours. Vous voulez parler toujours?
Les Prince Loboté vient avec boisson.
C'est pour Annie Love. Listen. Vous comprenez ça? Parce que je partage avant. C'est ça me fait. Mais comprendre, c'est pour Annie Love parce que le gars de bouteille muscade le pote, pas pour lui. Ça est drink pour femme, peut-être pour moi.
Non, non, Prince Nobo connaît qu'il y a moun sérieux dans le building. Non,
anyways, tout à l'heure là, Alan Palvin là, nous sommes en after blague avec nous là. Alan, where was from the Alan? Vilx Palvin là. You know what it is? I'm so excited about January 9th because you know they're gonna be in the building. Connais show ça. Ou pas, you're gonna surprise pour nous. So, et vini pour vini. On comprend Team Queen Annie Love. Toujours, you tout là, y a dit sur stage là. So final touch ou pas gagner. But avant nous
hashtag Queen là.
Yes, of course c'est Queen oh. Bah coco, comme quoi pour comprendre ça. Tout ça. Anyways, nous parlons de petit bill tout à l'heure là. Après ça, on a tourné tout à l'heure. On a parlé à Vilx. Vous connaissez? Big ups to Stacy. Big ups to Osland that's listening. Big up to Pierre. Big up to Patrick. Big ups to Last Peak, Lucky, the entire EK fam, Team Amway, Piggy, love you, Sherry. I can't wait to turn up. Ballon, Kelsey, Joanne, tout le monde qui a broché, merci, je donne tout message. Yo. Et puis, on paye bill, entendez? Team Annie Love. Team Annie Love.
Okay.
Team Annie Love. Team Annie Love.
Final touch.
Like it. Baby Leon, on a fini tout à l'heure.
DJ Bless and A-List Kim introducing what's hot in social media. Music from around the world, sports, entertainment, news, and our community. On Hot World Radio every Wednesday, 8 till 10 p.m.
On Thursday, December the 31st, New Year's Eve, get yourself ready for the ultimate New Year's Eve event. FC Promotion presents the countdown to 2016. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the ultimate New Year's Eve back inside of Island Pride, 986 Blue Hill Avenue in Dorchester. Admission only $20 before midnight. It's all about music by DJ Walla, Anaconda, Ghetto Hype, and DJ Rose B. It's the ultimate New Year's Eve countdown to 2016. It's all about all roads lead down to Island Pride in style and fashion. Doors open up at 9. We party until. Pictures provided by Trickstar and Island Vibe. So that's right, ladies and gentlemen, get yourself ready. New Year's Eve. It's the ultimate countdown to 2016. This is a FC promotion.
Feel good.
It's a brand new one, y'all. Everybody say, let's go.
Yo, c'est Roberto Martino, chef révolution, Vice tout à Capture. Ou attendez Annie Love. Annie Love avec Final Touch. Final Touch. Touch. No.
Santé souffle mon coupé, on m'a campé côté. Ça tu m'avais tout fait, le roi parler avec. Fais-moi virer les maman, oui. Côté là où ça parlait. Quand on y a un petit bébé, fait découvrir tété. Fais-moi essouffler, que me sens l'arrêter. Waouh, ravager les entrailles, moi. Fais-moi oublier où la caille en moi. Sous-dit monter en bas. Zim descend en haut. Zim fout moi dans l'eau. A fait son pipito. Let's go. T'as côté de la blaza qui pointe dans cabouya. T'as pris pas bon coup de barre. Fais-moi virer les maman, oh, côté là où ça parlait. T'as mis ma genou pour me chanter pour me convaincre qu'avec moi on compte sacré mais you dis chance pas gain bonnet ton boulé ma quoi sous-dit monter en bas sous-dit me descendre en haut sous-dit me foutre moi dans l'eau. Sans pipito, courir avec, v'lez courir derrière, partager tout secret, faut quoi, n'a qui quoi, moi et mère, v'lez sortir dans tout blague, ouais t'es qu'aime dans des blousailles, moi et mère. Mener sous la caille. La caille en nous, I can see what baby. Sous senti sa caille. Tout samedi ou la CV. Ma donne l'air ou pareil. See what baby, hey, sous santé santaye, tout samedi ou la cible, come on. I don't know what to do, I think I'm in love with you. My heart stops every time that you come around. Qui me font passer, oh yeah. Please baby, pas quitter, I'm sorry baby, sorry, pas quitter, Maman dit pas maman, des pilotes séparés, d'où les maris viennent loin. Dans la peine toute la Sainte-Journée, Ça ou me pas sociable, moi vine tolérable, quand mon parlant j'imagine, réaliser c'est m'aimer. Oh yeah, please baby. Dernière chance pour nous parler, pour comparer, pour m'oublier, l'amour c'est la baby. Bon, une dernière chance pour nous parler. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, chop, chop.
For you, like buying a crib, having kids, everything I did revolved around you. My Haitian queen, so I crowned you. Thank God I found you. Now nothing but love surrounds you, doves around you. So all them hard times are meant stat. Feel me as I'm pouring my heart on the Zen track. We went from holding hands to can't understand why I called you my girl and I ain't even your man. Nah, come on, mommy, playing games like I ain't nothing. Like them 5 years ain't amount to something. Come on, mommy, keep it real, stop fronting. You acting like it wasn't me, you was hugging and loving. Come on, mommy, playing games like I ain't nothing. Like them 5 years didn't amount to something. Come on, mommy, know the deal, stop fronting. Or I'ma chill and let Alice spit a little something like
whoa, mommy, pasa que tenla. 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 J'aime qu'on aime vraiment, pasa que tenla. Everything you say I'll do, pasa que tenla. J'aime qu'on aime d'amour, pasa que tenla. Est-ce que vous voulez me mettre à genoux, pasa que tenla. Whoa, mommy, 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 pasa que tenla. J'aime qu'on aime vraiment, pasa que tenla. Everything you say I'll do, pasa que tenla. J'aime qu'on aime d'amour, pasa que tenla. Est-ce que vous voulez me mettre à genoux, pasa que tenla. Oh, chérie, pas la guerre, ne doute pas qu'il t'aime. Crois-moi, désolé, oh c'est vérité. Chérie, pas la guerre, doute pas qu'il t'aime. Avant de l'arrêter pour l'éternité. Please, baby, please don't you go no, I love you. Gotta be with you. Sorry, so sorry.
Serious? That sounded so serious. I might sample that.
Vilx, it's too late. I already sampled it, man. I already got this. Nu ba même kasum même. Non, nu ba kasum. This one's crazy, right?
Nah, well, no. Well, no, the thing is that that's what I'm saying. Might sample that, but you're gonna need to copyright that first. What's good, though? What's up? What's poppin'?
Hold on. Bumbo introduction. Parce que So what you guys just heard, of course, you guys just heard Alan Cave, Please Baby, featuring our man, Vilx. Mam di my man, oui, parce que c'est garçon pas qu'à dire yo man.
Jalousie tombée.
Yeah,
Not like that, you know what I mean.
Um,
But we got our bro, this talented man by the name of Vilx on the line. Vilx, Escola.
Yes, in the building, on the phone, on the radio, online. What's good?
Hold on a minute. Vilx ton en moment. Parce que
y'all can't hear me?
Now we do.
Yeah.
Okay, una building na konya. Kone DJ
DJ like I said, I'm in the building,
Vilx, what tu te parler à la
on the radio. Huh?
What tu te parler à la? Pas gros monde qui t'entend.
DJ,
yeah, right.
DJ No Clue. It's like from little DJ No Clue. Welcome, Vilx.
Oh no! Wait, final touch. This gotta be the final touch.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying that's how we do it, though. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, though. We get money or no?
What's good? You are live on
What's
air.
Poppin', man? What's poppin'? Any love was good.
What's good, homie? What's good?
It's been a while.
It's been a while. I'm gonna start singing the track.
They don't even get
but don't even do that. But first and foremost, shout out to everybody in Boston, to all of you listeners. Yeah. Not even in Boston, all over, because we global. It's Hot
That's
World
right.
Radio, not Hot Boston Radio. Feel me?
That's right.
So, you know. So shout out to everybody that's supporting this. You see, Mitch, Annie, y'all doing it.
Vilx.
And I appreciate what y'all doing for this industry, for this music, for this culture.
Thanks,
That's
brother.
big what y'all doing, man. That's big.
Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. But attendez, Vilx.
Nah, man, no doubt, anytime.
Avant
Yeah, what's
continuer. Be careful, man. E pa bay non gouvernement non sou air la, man. E pa konse
Ki sa?
man. E
Ki
pa bay non gouvernement baga la. Gade bi siye, Vilx, be careful dans there, man.
Parallel non.
Why?
Final touch.
Oh, Vilx, mon cher. Oh, garçon.
All right, I got you. Okay, pause it. I got you. I'll fall back. I got you.
Ou te met rele DJ No Clue ou bien DJ Final Touch? N'importe ça.
Hey, daddy, Annie Love.
Okay.
Vilx en repos, daddy.
DJ No Clue. I like that one. I like that one.
Pa vin gate Vilx la, daddy.
Nah, man. I can't be gotted. I can't be swallowed. I'm good, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nah, but the 9th is gonna be crazy. I can't wait. Can't wait. Everybody, y'all show up to that event. It is going down as we turn up. You understand? So, like y'all was saying earlier, because me, Creole me pa tellement, like, you know what I mean? It's not all that good. So I mainly do my interviews in English.
It's all good.
You know, this is how it's pretty much gonna be. So y'all please come out and support this event, man. This is gonna be something to kick off the new year the right way, the way it's supposed to be kicked off.
Definitely.
So, yeah, man, it's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy. What's good though? What's good?
Let's parler. Pile moun Vilx. You're pas kon ki jon koman.
Yeah.
They don't know how you start. I was about to speak in Creole. I know you understand me, but
okay.
They,
well, I understand it 100%. Yeah, it's just me responding.
Yeah, you got that.
Go ahead.
So a lot of people are not familiar with how you got started in the HMIP. Would you give them a little synopsis of how you got here?
Alright, well, first and foremost, shout out to my man Alan Cave, the legend, the legend who will be live alongside with me January 9th, going down. But shout out to him though, and that's a sidebar because I believe that a lot of artists should honestly pay homage or give it up or give credit where credit is due to other artists that helped them along the way. You understand what I'm saying? So shout out to him. My cousin, as a matter of fact, a lot of people don't know this, but I used to be a part of this event, Alan Cave's group, and stuff like that. So, but before all of that, my cousin was a part of the band, and my cousin, his name is Kasik. and he was the keyboard player for Zen at the time. And so after high school, I graduated high school in Florida and stuff like that, and I moved up because I wanted to, because there was opportunity in Manhattan as far as, because I was trying to get my American music stuff going, like as far as my hip hop stuff and R&B things. So and so then I moved up to Queens with him because he was trying to get his American production stuff on. So, you know what I'm saying? As cousins, we merged our skills together, and then we tried to do, we pretty much got a demo done, and then we were shopping it in Manhattan to labels like Def Jam, Interscope, and stuff like that. And so we actually, we actually got in a few meetings at the time and stuff like that. But as I was I was doing a mixtape. After the demo, I was doing a mixtape. And then, so I moved in with Daphne, which was the other singer of Zen. I'm not sure if you guys know. Well, there was one singer of Zen that's actually from Boston, Sandra. Y'all know her, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, her. And so now, she was the other half. Mm-hmm. And then I moved in with Daphne and Kasik and stuff like that. And so all three of us were roommates. And then I was completing my CD or my mixtape at the house and stuff like that. And so now I never knew Alan Cave, but Alan Cave came over that one day because Kasik was his keyboard player. So they were doing stuff for Alan's Sepapudat album. And so so Alan Cave came to the house one day, and then he heard a couple of stuff that me and Kasik were doing. And then he was like, "Yo, I like the way you spit. I like your songs. I like the way you do your thing. You ever thought of just trying to rap on a Caribbean vibe?" And I'm like, "Nah, I never really thought of rapping on no Haitian stuff or nothing like that. I'm trying to do my American thing, man. I'm not trying to do none of that. I'm trying to follow Jay-Z, LL Cool J, DMX. I'm not trying to do it." And then I was like, "Nah, just try real quick. I have a song that I'm doing. It's kind of hip hopish. I mean, like, you might like it. As a matter of fact, your cousin is making the beat and stuff like that. So, let's just hear it and give it a shot and see if you could rap on it." I'm like, "Rap? I could rap on anything. It's just the fact of if I like it or not." And so now my cousin started making the beat. I heard it, started singing the Please Baby song, and then I wrote the rap to it. And then we recorded it. And then after we recorded it, we left it alone. I just did it because that was my cousin that was doing the beat. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? For Alan and stuff like that. So I just did it just to do it so that we could continue doing our stuff. And so, and so then it took like a year because we actually recorded that record in 2001, and then Alan's album dropped in 2001. So a whole year later, I didn't hear anything back from Alan. I didn't hear anything back. I mean, like, my Daphne and my cousin used to go play balls with Zen. I used to stay at the house because I wasn't a part of the band. I was doing my own thing. And so 1 year later, Alan comes back to me, and then Alan's like, "Yo, I need you." And I'm like, "What do you mean you need me? You need me for what?" And he's like, "You know that song that we did last year?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And he's like, "Yo, we need to shoot a video ASAP to that song." And I'm like, okay, but I don't have no money though. I'm not paying for that. And he's like, "Nah, man, don't worry about it. It's this, that, and the third. Come on, man, don't worry about it. I'm gonna fly you down to Miami and stuff like that, and we're gonna shoot it in Miami." And so then I'm like, "All right, cool, whatever. It's a free trip to Miami. Hey, no problem." So then I went down there. We shot the video. Man, the next thing you know, the moment we dropped the video, probably a month after that, boom, he's like, "Yo." Alan Cave. A month after we dropped the video, Alan comes back and he's like, yo, what do you think about performing? I want you to perform this song with me. I've never performed before in my life. And so now I'm like, man, performing? I don't know. And so then, whatever. I did it. It was a huge success. The people loved it. And then after a few performances, that's when the guys came up to me, "Yo, we'd like to know if you wouldn't mind joining the band." And I'm like, "Joining the band?" I'm like, "Joining Zen?" Now, Zen was my mom's
that
band.
Was like straight Kompa, right?
My dad's band because my dad used to play like he used to play Haitian music every Saturday morning or every Sunday morning. I'm not sure. No, every Saturday morning. Sorry, every Saturday morning he used to blast his Haitian music, and he used to bother me because I used to be watching my cartoons and stuff like that. I'm trying to eat my cereal, and all I hear is I'm like, come on, what is this? And so then that was my parents' band, and they used to go to bars. I used to see, and they used to come back home with tapes and stuff. So I used to see Alan Cave. He used to be the hip dude with two different sneakers on, two different colors. He had ripped jeans. I'm like, yo, this guy look kind of hip or whatever. So, but that was old stuff to me. So, but now as I get into it, I'm like, all right, that's not a bad thing. So now and so then Annie, y'all final, like, it's like before you know it, yeah, like 3 months turn into 6 months, 6 months turn into a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I was in the band for about 6 years, 6 to 7 years. Yeah. I was in Zan. We traveled everywhere, but that's what actually got me into the whole Haitian compa thing. It was pretty much Alan Cave just hearing me in the basement, pretty much where we had the studio in the basement. We had it set up in the house, but it was in the basement. And he came down there and, and he just was like, here. And I give it up to him, man, because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have seen the world. I wouldn't have been able to do what I'm doing now, be who I am now. Like, one verse bring me to Martinique, to Guadeloupe. I've been to Paris 5, 6 times, Canada, Ottawa, St. Martin, like wherever, like London, like we've done it, man. Belgium. So it's like I give it up to Alan, man. My passport is done because of that. Like I done ran through 2-3 passports, like literally. So you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's how I got my start. Shout out to the legend. Shout out to Alan Cave and the Zen Boys.
And the Zen Boys, okay.
Yeah, man, that's how I got my start. So sorry about that. Kind of going
cool. It's cool. So here's the thing. So you started with you got your start by Alan hearing you.
Correct.
You know what I mean? You got a taste for the HMI, which traveled the world. So where and how did Identity come about?
Now, Identity came about. Alan Cave once again.
This dude's all over the place, man.
Yo, that's my man. Yo, that's my brother. You understand what it is? Like, that's my brother. I could call him for anything. There was a time where, like, it ain't even a time. It's still till today that I could call my brother up for anything. If he got it, he's giving it. If I got it, I'm giving it. So, it's crazy. Like, the relationship with me and him, it's on the next level. But as a matter of fact, it was Alan that actually met up with J-Beatz. Shout out to J-Beatz. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to these dudes, because I'm not gonna sit here and and be on that vibe, because everyone who knows what's going on, they should know what's going on. Shout out to Jay. He was an instrumental part in my success also. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So, Alan Cave started working with J-Beatz, and then it just got to a point where I suggested that I go over there and I like mess with Jay as far as trying to do my own thing and stuff like that. And then through me messing with Jay, it turned around that Rich was around. So then how me and Rich got together was pretty much, I asked J-Beatz. There was a remix called Dipping Water Remix, which is a big record, monster record, man. Big record. It was the remix to Dipping Well. And then that was an idea pretty much from me and J-Beatz that came up with the idea to do the remix to that record. And then as I started writing for the song, I recorded my part. Everything was pretty much getting done, and then I kind of felt like we needed something else. So I asked Jay if his cousin Young Rich wouldn't mind rapping. I didn't know Rich at that time. And so then J-Beatz asked Rich if he wouldn't mind rapping. Rich said no problem. Rich came through with a classic verse. And I know y'all heard the record, right?
We about to drop it in a second.
Yeah, I mean, Rich came through and killed the verse. Shout out to Young Rich. Yeah, and so now at that point, Rich got on the record, and there was certain times where I would be in the studio with Rich and stuff like that, and that's how we met each other. You understand? And so now, but the success of Dipping More remix, kind of pretty much a light bulb popped in everybody's head, and it was like, okay, we're the ones that put this remix together, so why can't we just come together and make some original songs like this? And so then that's when J-Beatz was like, yo, alright, then cool, I'm gonna ask Rich what's good, let's start a group together and stuff like that. Identity originally was J-Beatz, Young Rich, Vilx. That was Identity.
Okay.
You understand?
Gotcha.
You know, yeah, we're not gonna go into that. We'll go into that another time. But yeah, and so now pretty much that's how that whole thing worked out. Dipping Well remix got done. It was a huge success, and then we ended up saying let's try another song, but let's make this an original record. And then me and Rich got in there, and we did a song. Our first record, as a matter of fact, it wasn't even a Kompa record. It was an American record. It was a song that's on our debut album. It's called Next to You. It's like a hip hop song. Mm-hmm. And that was our first record. And then once we did that record, we was like, yo, it's not that bad. But we got to come back to our roots, though, because people know us for doing the Kompa thing. Then our second record that we ever did was Hip Hop Without 2, the remix. Mm-hmm. And then after that, we kept going with Come Up Y'all Shiz and The Only Ones and stuff like that. But, yeah, that's how we actually got started. So it was pretty much a merger of artists suggesting we go here, and then boom. We just, we just blended with each other automatically.
Mm-hmm. So here's what we're going to do,
Yep.
So here's what we're gonna do. You talked about Dipping Well. Kone DJ no la femme sing la.
We gotta pay them bills. We gotta pay them bills.
No,
man. You gotta pay some bills.
I'm a big fan of paying bills, son. But
I got you.
But before we actually go pay some bills, it's one of the tracks that you just mentioned. So we're gonna drop off. We're gonna definitely
we're gonna get into that remix.
Because I think a lot of people have heard it, but we're just gonna remind everybody real quick. Take everybody back before we drop the newer stuff. So,
okay.
Y'all stay tuned.
Let's do that, because that record right there, I tell you right now,
so
that
DJ
was a lot of style. It changed the progression within the game a little bit. Whatever it is.
And you know what, Vilx, you know what we're gonna do too? We're gonna put you on a different phone, because this one is this line right here is kind of iffy. So we're gonna while we do this, we're gonna do a quick transfer, all right? So keep it locked right here, man. Go ahead and introduce this track, yo. Go ahead, introduce this track, man.
Yo, this right here, Dipping Well the remix, Fire, featuring me, myself, Alan Kave, Luigi ZQ, Young Rich, Nia, and J-Beatz. Keep it locked. Don't turn that dial.
Yeah.
This is your boy J-Beatz. Giving a remix.
Enough about me, man.
Awesome remix.
It's never been done like this before.
Yo, Vilx, where you at, man? Hit it!
Yes, I'm really ready to bless this remix, nice and steady. Je t'adore, mi amor. Janitor, I got the keys to unlock her door. She said she wants more, she wants more, so I'll give her more.
Yeah, they be doing well, baby, my heart swells. I'll do anything like making ice water and hell on top of that.
Dis-moi t'es en bas, dis-moi descends en haut. Dis-moi fout-moi dans l'eau. Fais son pipito. Partager tout secret, faut qu'on quitte moi-même. Faut les sortir dans tout blague, faut
Baby, I'll do anything for you. Ain't nothing I won't do, baby. It ain't nothing.
Yo, Rich on the remix.
Anything is possible, baby. I'll fly under the ocean, swim up to the mountain, fly like a pig, walk it out like a dolphin, carry an elephant, outrun the train, re-elect George Bush as a Democratic pantsouvle. Ma personne n'a l'en fait, pour m'parler à qui mon Dieu. Monter dans le paradis, m'discuter à qui s'y fait. Pas rien que moi pas fait, Maria Kota qu'on évêque. Pour les anatomie, m'l'en fait pour effiler l'amour dans le cœur. Young Rich.
Cause she was baby. Sorti sangaye, toute samedi ou la cible. Surprise.
If you wanna be a part of me, baby boy, you gotta prove it to me. For diligence, for compétent, pour capable respecter mon niveau. If you wanna be a part of me, baby boy, you gotta prove it to me. I'm on the remix with my beats. J'ai des people I'm so
Bring it back, remix, remix.
Remix, remix.
Are you ready for the remix, remix?
Remix, remix.
Are you ready for the remix, remix?
Remix, remix.
Are you ready for the remix, remix?
Remix, remix.